So, what affects the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? And more specifically, when we see news disseminate rapidly on Twitter, how does that affect the price of Bitcoin? We asked this question of Rob from Digital Asset News. So, scroll down, make the thumbs up button turn blue, hit subscribe, click the notification bell, and choose all, because we right now are going to bring you Rob's very interesting response. So, Twitter and the price of Bitcoin. This is one scenario that we're fascinated to ask about. We're here today with Rob from Digital Asset News, who has over 200,000 followers on YouTube. Always exciting to have you here on the channel, Rob. Thanks for coming back with us today.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it. Good times. Good times.
So, Rob, one of the things I've heard you talk about is Twitter and how quickly news disseminates on Twitter can often affect the price of Bitcoin. Will you tell us more about this specific scenario?
Yeah, this one, it's one of those best kept secrets that's not really a secret. And that is that if you're looking for what really moves the market, it's news. I mean, we can do technicals all day long, and those work, those back us up, for our assumptions and what we have. But if we want to take a look at what is really moving the market, it's just straight news. And it's very easy just to put out a tweet as far as a news piece, as opposed to writing a blog post or writing an article, getting it approved by your editor, and then putting it on the website, or even making a YouTube video. So if you're looking for what's going on in the crypto space, just go to Twitter. And that's what I usually do to find some of the best stories and the earliest stories before most people know them. And then on top of that, I also use this product called Trade the Chain, which it's pretty simple. Alex Mascioli's product, and all he does is they just have a direct integration into Twitter, an API, and it just takes all those tweets and all the data from cryptocurrencies and digital assets and just gives it a sentiment analysis. It also does a scrape of all the different blog posts of the exchanges, all the different press releases, all the different websites from the top 200 or 300 different projects, and then just gives you all that data right there, and also gives you alerts for big things like I remember one just a couple of months ago. Remember when Filecoin got listed on Coinbase? Well, they have a direct integration into that, and they knew about that before most people did. So it flashed up on an alert. It came up on my phone, and I was able to snag it at around $30 before it went to, was it 78, somewhere down there? And of course, it just died off like that. So that's where the big thing comes from.
I think that's gold, because we all know that Elon Musk tweets have some kind of ability to move the market. Not so long ago, I think it was February, we had a big pump and a dump. And just yesterday, we had another tweet from Elon that saw a quick rally and then a very big dump afterwards. So having something on your phone to alert you to when Elon Musk is tweeting about Bitcoin or any other news story, I think would be gold. So that's really awesome. I wrote that down. It was called Trade the Chain. But I think we need to be following you on Twitter, because I know you will retweet and then follow everybody you follow on Twitter. So can you tell us what your Twitter handle is?
It's pretty easy. It's just at News Asset, NEWS, and then Asset, ASSET. And then, of course, if you go to the YouTube or danteachescrypto.com, 100% free website for crypto education, all the different links are there as well, including Trade the Chain. You can get a discount for that to sign up if you want to, or go to the YouTube channel or Twitter or whatever else you need. So,
here on Conscious Crypto Traders, we're having valuable conversations that no other YouTubers are having. So if you enjoyed today's content, please don't forget to hit the like button and turn it blue, hit subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications, and select all. That way you'll be notified every time we go live or upload new content. We would love for you to post your comments or your questions below, and we'll do our best to respond. In fact, feel free to tell us how your trades are going, or how trading has changed your life or the lives of those around you. That really excites us when we hear that. You can also follow us on Twitter or read it at the links that are down below. And if you're new to trading, we also have links to Phoenix or Bybit down below that includes loads of bonuses. All proceeds from this channel go to support the development of our conscious community here in Costa Rica, which helps provide a lot of jobs in the local region. If you're interested in more hand-holding with your trading, especially with your strategy or your emotions, Nicola actually runs an advanced mastermind weekly, and the link to sign up for that is also down below. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and we'll see you in the next video, which you can find right here. And until then, trade consciously.